Welcome to the Wiki Journal. In this informative tutorial, I will teach you how to add address to Instagram. Before starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So now we are going to show you that how to add address on Instagram. First, you have to go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right. It is necessary that your account must be a professional account. Then you will get such type of option to add address to your Instagram account. Then click on the edit profile. Once you click on the edit profile, scroll it down and you see the option of contact option. Click on it. This is the sheet of adding addresses to this Instagram account. So first you will add your email address to this Instagram account, and the second option you will add your phone number. If you are in a proper business, you can also add your business phone number, and you will also add your WhatsApp business account number or any account number. So these are the simple steps to add address to Instagram account. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.